Welcome to your 35-minute power flow. My name is Janine. Thank you so much for flowing with me. Let's get started in easy seated Sukhasana. Take a big inhale through the nose, become present. Big exhale out the mouth, let go of everything off of your mat. Again, big inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth, let it go. Hands connect to the front of your knees. Inhale, heart forward, lift your gaze. Exhale, round through the back and shoulders, chin to the chest. Find this seated cat-cow. Inhale, heart forward. Exhale, round. Take 3 more rounds, moving with your breath pace, pausing anywhere that might feel good for you. We'll meet seated. Extend your right leg to the top of the mat, left leg close to you. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold over your right leg. On your inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, twist to the left, tucking your right arm outside of your left thigh. Maybe send your gaze past your shoulder. Inhale, release from your twist, arms reach up to the sky. Exhale, roll your back down to the mat. Reach your right leg up to the sky, ground through your left foot. Inhale, lift your hips. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. One more inhale, lift. Exhale to lower. We'll cross our right ankle over the left knee, scoot the hips to the right first, and then drop the knees to the left. Cactus out your arms. Your right foot stays tucked under your left thigh to encourage your twist even more. As we begin to unwind from our twist, our right peace fingers hook onto our right big toe. Extend your left leg long. We're in a half happy baby, actively pulling our right knee towards our underarm. And then begin to lengthen through the leg, open through your hip. Release and bring both knees into the chest, finding a rock and roll up and down your spine a few times, massaging out your back. And then meet in seated, left leg long, right leg close. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold over the left leg. Inhale, rise, arms up. Exhale, twist to the right, tucking left arm outside the right thigh. Sitting up nice and tall, maybe send your gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale, unwind. Exhale, roll your back down. Left leg up to the sky. Inhale, lift up through your hips. Exhale, lower. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Tuck left ankle over the right knee. Shimmy the hips to the left and then drop the knees to the right. Find that cactus shape with your arms. As we unwind from our twist, left peace fingers hook onto left big toe. Extend your right leg, find your half happy baby. Then begin to lengthen through the leg as you open through your hip. Coming out of this, both knees into the chest. Find your rock and roll up and down the spine once more. Create enough momentum to roll over your shins, ground your hands, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back, down dog. Inhale, rise to your tippy toes. Exhale, lower the heels. This time, inhale, tippy toes. Exhale, walk to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up through the spine, palms connect overhead. Exhale, fold all the way back down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, step back into your plank pose. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, and exhale to down dog. On your next inhale, right leg rises. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale it up. Exhale to the left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Step your foot all the way through. Lower your left knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, half splits. Lengthen your right leg. Sweep the arms behind you. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. This time, inhale, low lunge. Tuck your left toes, lift the knee, high crescent pose. Stay for your inhale. Exhale, ground your hands. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose, step your foot through. Left foot 45 degrees. Inhale, rise up, warrior one. Hips are square to the front of your mat. Exhale, cactus the arms. Keep them here. Inhale, left knee reaches to the left elbow. Exhale, step back, warrior one. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus to interlace behind the back. Inhale, pull the shoulders together, lift your gaze. Exhale, humble warrior. Lower inside your right thigh. Keep your interlace, straighten your right leg, pivot the toes, come into a wide-legged fold. Gently release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, rotate to the back of your mat. Right hand plants. Left arm up, lunge twist. Left hand grounds. Send right leg to the sky, standing splits. And then right foot meets left, forward fold. Inhale, rise, Utkatasana chair pose. Start to lift to your tippy toes. Sweep your arms behind you. Lengthen your legs and lower your chest towards your thighs for diver's pose. Lower the heels. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Step your left foot back. Inhale, three-legged dog, right toes lift. Exhale, knee to nose, step it all the way through. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Bring your arms to 6 and 12. Option to wrap left arm behind your back, maybe right arm underneath your leg for a full bind. If you'd like to take bird of paradise, step your left foot to meet right. Grounding through your left side, take your time as you lift up through the chest, maintain your bind. Once you arrive, work on lengthening through your right leg. We'll slowly reverse our steps. We'll all meet in extended side angle, releasing any binds. Inhale, reverse warrior. As you exhale, Skandasana into your right hip. Inhale, take your hips through center, keep them low. Exhale to the left. Rotate to the top of your mat, right hand plants. Inhale, left arm up, lunge twist. Stay in your twist as you lift your right leg up, revolved half moon. Hips are square to the mat, maybe become light on right fingertips, opening up the chest towards the left. Now release your left hand down, reach right arm up to the sky, open up traditional half moon. Release your right foot to the back of the mat, warrior two. Inhale, lengthen your left leg, palms connect. Exhale, warrior two, back of your mat. Inhale, lengthen right leg, palms connect. Exhale, warrior two, top of your mat. Inhale, sweep forward, high crescent. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Inhale, high crescent. Exhale, tilt the torso forward, right leg lifts, warrior three, airplane variation. Palms face up to the sky. Release your right foot to a 45-degree angle. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, cactus your arms. Interlace behind the back. Inhale, shoulders together. Exhale, humble warrior. Release your hands to frame your left foot. Right leg lifts, standing splits. Inhale. Exhale, Shiva squat. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, Shiva. Inhale. Exhale. Hold here, or left hand grabs hold of your right foot. As you lower your hips, extend through your leg for baby grasshopper. Carefully come back into your standing splits. Inhale. Exhale, Shiva squat. This time, inhale, open up half moon. Maybe take Chapasana. Bend through your right leg, reach around to grab hold of your foot with your right hand. Release your foot if you have it. Right foot grounds back of the mat. Inhale, reverse triangle. Rotate to the back of the mat. Left hand plants. Inhale, right arm up, lunge twist. Release your right hand inside of your foot. Open up wide-legged fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Left hand under the face. Inhale, right arm up for a twist. Release right hand down. Inhale, left arm up. Release left hand down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, rotate top of the mat. Lower your right knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. Inhale, low lunge. Palms connect overhead. Exhale, prayer twist to the left. Stay in your twist. Tuck the right toes, lift the knee. Stay here or plant your hands out to the left, bending through the elbows so that they become a shelf for your left thigh. And then play with lifting the feet and extending the legs. We'll meet in our prayer twist, right knee lifted. Begin to open up through your arms. Inhale, revolved crescent, sweep right arm up and back, left hand to your right leg. Exhale, windmill the hands, frame your left foot, step back, down dog. Inhale, ripple forward, high plank. Exhale, crouching tiger, hips towards the heels. Then lift them high, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, crouching tiger. Lift the hips, down dog. One more, inhale. Exhale. From your down dog, inhale, ripple forward, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale for up dog, shine your heart forward. Exhale to down dog. From your down dog, lower to your forearms for dolphin pose. Begin to walk your feet out behind you as you lower your hips for forearm plank. Hold strong. One more round of breath. And then lower your knees. We're still on our forearms. Inhale for cow variation. Exhale, round the back for cat. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for cow. Exhale, cat. Come to a neutral spine. Ground your left hand. Inhale, right arm up to the sky. Exhale, thread your needle. Lower onto your right shoulder. Left hand reaches towards the top of your mat. From here, extend your left leg behind you and then sweep it all the way out to the left in line with your hips. Keep the chest low as you send your hips back and unthread your right arm to reach it out next to left. Slowly rise out of this shape, coming into tabletop, and take a few rounds of cat-cow to reset through the body and reconnect with your breath. When you're ready, tuck your toes, lift the hips up and back, meet me in down dog. Inhale, left leg rises. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale it up. Exhale, knee to nose, step it all the way through. Lower the right knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half split. Sweep the arms behind you. Twice more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. This time, inhale, low lunge. Tuck the right toes. Lift up through the knee, high crescent. Stay for the exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, ground your hands. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it all the way through. Right foot 45 degrees. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, cactus. Keep the arms here. Inhale, reach your right knee towards your right elbow. Exhale, step back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, cactus to interlace behind your back. Inhale, shoulders together, lift your gaze. Exhale, humble warrior, lower inside your left thigh. Keep your interlace as you lengthen your left leg and pivot the toes, wide-legged fold. Gently release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale to the back of the mat. Reach your right arm to the sky. Right hand plants. Left leg lifts, standing splits. Left foot meets right, forward fold. Inhale, Utkatasana chair pose. Exhale into your divers. Lift to the toes, arms behind you. Lengthen your chest, down towards the thighs. Release your heels. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step your right foot back. Inhale, three-legged dog, left leg lifts. Exhale, knee to nose. Step it all the way through. Open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Option to bring your right arm behind your back. Maybe left arm under the leg, taking a full bind. Playing with bird of paradise, right foot meets left. We're grounding through our right side as we slowly lift up through the chest. Once we arrive, begin to work on extending through your left leg. Slowly reversing your steps. If you took bird of paradise, we'll all meet an extended side angle, releasing any binds. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, Skandasana into your left hip. Inhale, hips through center. Exhale to the right. Rotate to the top of the mat. Left hand plants. Inhale, right arm up, lunge twist. We stay in our twist as the left leg lifts, finding revolved half moon. Release your right hand down to the mat. Stack your left hip over right. Reach left arm to the sky, finding traditional half moon. Release left foot to the back of the mat. Rise up, warrior two. Inhale, lengthen through the right leg, palms connect overhead. Exhale, warrior two, back of your mat. Inhale, lengthen the left leg, palms connect. Exhale, warrior two to the top. Inhale, sweep it forward, high crescent. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale, high crescent. Exhale, shift forward into warrior three, airplane variation. Left leg lifts. Left foot grounds at a 45-degree angle. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, cactus to interlace behind the back. Inhale, open through the heart. Exhale, humble warrior. Without flinging your arms, release your hands to frame your right foot Left leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, Shiva squat. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, Shiva. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, Shiva. Hold here, or right hand comes to pinky edge of your left foot. We extend our left leg as we lower our hips for baby grasshopper. Slowly reversing our steps. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, Shiva. This time, inhale, open up half moon. Option for Chapasana. Bend through the left leg. Reach around to grab hold with your left hand. Release your foot if you have it. Left foot grounds. Inhale, reverse triangle. Rotate to the back of your mat. Right hand plants. Left arm up. Release your left hand inside of your leg. Open up wide-legged fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Left hand under your face. Inhale, right arm up to twist. Right hand plants. Inhale, left arm up. Left hand plants. Inhale, halfway lift. Rotate to the top of the mat. Lower your left knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, half splits. Inhale, low lunge, palms connect. Exhale, prayer twist to the right. Hold the twist, tuck the left toes, lift the knee. Option to plant your hands to the right of you. Find a 90-degree angle with your arms to create that shelf with your elbows to rest your right thigh, and then play with lifting the feet and extending the legs. We'll meet in our prayer twist. Open through the arms. Inhale, revolved crescent. Exhale, windmill your hands down to the mat. Step back, down dog. Inhale, ripple forward, high plank. Exhale, crouching tiger into down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, crouching tiger, down dog. One more, inhale. And exhale. This time, inhale, ripple forward, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale to down dog. We'll lower to our forearms, dolphin pose. Hold for a round of breath, big inhale. And exhale. Begin to walk your feet behind you so you can lower your hips for forearm plank. Imagine pulling your belly button into the core. Stay for the inhale. Exhale, lower the knees. Inhale, drop the belly for cow. Exhale, round the back for cat. Inhale. Exhale. Once more, inhale for cow. Exhale, cat. Find a neutral spine. Ground your right hand. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, thread your needle. Rest on your left shoulder and reach your right hand to the top of your mat. From here, extend your right leg behind you and then sweep it out to the side in line with your hips. We'll keep the chest low as we send the hips towards the left heel. Unthread your left arm to reach out in front of you. Slowly coming out of this shape, reconnecting with your breath, flowing through a few rounds of cat-cow to reset. I'll meet you in down dog for one final sun salutation. Inhale, rise to the tippy toes. Exhale, travel top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise, high mountain, palms connect. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Step back into your plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale to down dog. Lower your knees down to the mat and simply sweep your legs out in front of you. Ground through the soles of the feet as you roll your back down, arms by your side. As you inhale, lift up through the hips for bridge pose. Interlace the hands under the back, walk the shoulders closer together. Ground through your left foot. Inhale, extend right leg up to the sky. Ground through your right foot. Inhale, extend left leg up. Ground through both of your feet. Lift your hips a little bit higher. Rise to your tippy toes. Release the interlace of the hands underneath you and slowly roll your back down. Option for a second round of bridge, or if you'd like to take wheel pose, hands come outside of your ears, fingertips face forward. As we inhale, we'll all lift up through our hips. For a wheel, continue pressing up through the arms. Whether you're in bridge or a wheel, lift up to your tippy toes and slowly roll the back down from top to bottom. Pause in stillness once your back is connected to your mat. We'll scoot our hips to the right. Left foot grounds at the right edge and bring the right sole of your foot on top of your left thigh and then drop your knees over to the left. Your right hand can grab hold of your left foot. Left hand can rest on top of the right thigh or thread it under the thigh and reach for your right calf. Slowly begin to release from your twist. Bring your hips to the left, right foot to the left edge, left foot on top of right thigh. Drop the knees to the right. Left hand reaches for your right foot. Right hand on top of your left thigh or thread it underneath and reach for your left calf. Slowly release from your twist. Pull both knees into the chest. Reach your forehead to the knees. Big inhale. Exhale, release into our final pose of Shavasana. Extend your legs long, arms by your side, palms up to the sky. Allow the eyes to soften or close. Take a moment as you arrive to show gratitude towards yourself for making it to your mat. Namaste, friends. I'll see you next time.